To start a candle holder, firstly we need a bangle, or you can use a wood ring instead, it's all your choice. Now take one end of cord and tape it to the bangle as I am doing. Now take the another end of cord. So what you need to do is to tie a knot by passing the another end of cord from above the bangle and then from below, and then just pull it. Now take the end again and tie another knot, but this time you need to pass the bangle from below like this, and then from the above and then below, and then you need to pull from the other hand and stuck your first finger like this in the cord and pull it like this. So remember, you need to make a loop here. If you want to make a bigger loop, you can use two fingers like this, but I'm using one because I want a smaller loops. Now take the end again and tie a knot as the same way we did our first tie, like from above and under, and just simply pull it, but this time we are doing it from the left side. And tighten it. Now your loop is secured. You need to make another loop on the left side. For this, take the end and tie a knot as the same way as we did for our second knot, like under, above, under, and pull it and stuck your finger like this. Make sure the sizes of your loops are same. So to secure our second loop, tie a knot as the same way as we did before, like from above and then under, and just simply pull it. So our two loops are ready, and we need to make more loops like this to cover our bangle. The process of making a loop and securing it will be same like this: under, above, under, and stuck your finger and just pull it. And make sure the size of the loop will be equal. So to secure above, under, and then pull. Now do the same thing from the left side and then from right, and so on. So as you see, I almost cover my whole bangle. Now I'm removing the tape as I want a plain surface. If you don't want to remove it, it's your choice. You can make loops on it. So now I'm making more loops to cover my bangle. I made 22 loops in total, 11 on the left side, 11 on the right. Now take the first end and secure it properly, as I told you, from above and then under, and just pull it so it will not move. Tighten both the ends. You can make any number of loops to cover your bangle, but make sure it will be even in number and your both the end loops will be in opposite direction. Now you need to tie a simple knot with both the ends. Tighten all the loops. Now what we need to do is to rotate the cord like this. I know you all are thinking why I'm doing this. I just need a neat lines in the middle like this, and that zigzag on the sides. Now just fold the loops on the sides like this. Now adjust the cord so that no one can see your bangle. So at last, tighten the knot and cut the extra cord with scissor. Adjust both the ends. So our candle holder is ready. If you don't like that knot, you can cover it with flowers like this. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, then click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.